Hello everyone, Peter Newman with you. AHRI Insight this week is about 2,4-D antagonism of glyphosate. It's the work of Jingbo Li, one of our visiting Chinese scientists. Now we have known that glyphosate can be antagonised by 2,4-D, and we've known that for a long time. It can reduce our control of grass weeds. But what Jingbo found in this research is that when we have glyphosate resistant weeds, it matters a lot more. It makes a much bigger difference. So the research was on some awnless barnyard grass. They started with a susceptible population, controlled 100% of it with 500 mils of glyphosate. Adding 2,4-D to that reduced the control when we had about 10% survival, but no big deal. We could normally get around that with a small rate adjustment. But then they studied some glyphosate resistant barnyard grass. So now we've had to up the dose of glyphosate to 1 to 3 litres per hectare to get 100% control of the barnyard grass. When we add 2,4-D to that glyphosate, we end up with 90% survivors. So as we're dealing with these glyphosate resistant weeds, they are on the edge of the dose response curve. We're just putting enough glyphosate on to kill them, and then that 2,4-D antagonism makes a big difference and we get a lot of survivors. The researchers then went on to study a little bit further and found that it was due to reduced uptake and translocation of the glyphosate. For more information, take a look at AHRI Insight.